Hey guys, Mr. Radcliffe. I'm going to show you how to access the criminology and psychology electives on Plato. This is the Plato website, ple.platoweb.com. You can also Google it. Account login right here is always going to be LEUSD. Username is your student ID number. Password is your 8-digit date of birth with no dashes or forward slashes. I'm going to use a student account I have set up, so it'll be different. When you log in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have all your classes right here, and over here will be alerts. So make sure, Robert Radcliffe, that's me, make sure you check these. These are important messages that if I'm not here in person, if I'm at a meeting or if I'm sick, or if I see something that is interesting for the class or an assignment and it's after school, double check. This is the best way to get a hold of you if I can't reach you through text or email. So don't ignore them. That's why I put do not ignore. Click on them. Read them. You guys can also reply. When you're done, you can go back to home. Go back to your list of classes. You'll only see the classes you're enrolled in. If something happens to disappear from here, it'll be in this tab up here, all my work. It should just pop up right here. It'll never disappear. If you have any questions, just come ask me or call me or email me, and I'll guide you through it. Don't panic. Let's show you criminology right here. So here's KMA criminology. If you're in A for first or third semester, it'll have criminology on here. If you're in criminology B for second or fourth quarter, it'll have B. So right now we're in criminology A. Go to all activities, and it'll show you all of the units, the midterm and the final. Those are locked because they are proctored. They must be taken on campus in room 502. When you are ready to take these quizzes, the midterm and the final, you need to come see me and get a permission slip to go take the test and then bring it back to me when you're done. And I will show you how and where to do that. So start up here in Unit 1, click on the plus symbol. These are all lessons. You can read the unit summary and objectives. Those are interesting. I broke down everything in a paper syllabus that I will give to you. It's a pacing guide and syllabus, and it shows you what I require each week. So be sure you see me to get that this week. So if I click on Lesson 1, this will show me the world of criminology. Take your notes on this. You can also go over here to this little notepad, and you can write notes as you go. I would suggest you do handwritten notes because I allow you to use those on the quiz, but only handwritten notes. This has been a pretty popular class with kids, so I hope a lot of you enjoy it. It's pretty interesting. Might keep you out of trouble too. When you're done with that, go to Lesson 2, Lesson 3, so on and so forth. They look like a lot, but they're not that bad. They're a pretty quick read. You can check out the reflection right here. It'll kind of do a recap of questions to think about that might be on the quiz.
What is deviant? 2. What are norms? What are the different types of norms?
So when you're done with that, you can click exit. Down here, Unit 1 text questions. This is the most important thing that I want you to understand. This is going to be your assignment, aside from the test, for this class. And it'll also be your work sample for your homeroom teacher. So you're going to click in the text questions. Now, you're going to go up here to download to my computer. Click on it. Do you want to open or save? It'll be down here at the bottom. You can go to open. It'll open in a Word doc. Now, go up here to Enable Editing. This is what I want you to do, and this is really important. Make sure you put your name on here. You can either type it right here, or you can write it after you print it. Review questions 1 through 5. They are pretty quick answers. Make sure you answer the question. If there are 2 parts, what are 3 different types of norms? Give an example of each. Give me 3 examples, not 1. Give me 3. What are surveys used in criminology? What type of information do they collect? Make sure you answer both parts. I want this, if you type it, please make sure you change the color of your font. You could do it like this. Blah, 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 blah. Then you highlight it, go up here, make it red, yellow, green, blue, whatever you want. So that's what I want for your answers. Now, critical thinking. I want you to actually critical think. Make sure you read these and answer all parts of the question. These should generally be at least a paragraph. Again, you can move your room down and you could write it in. If you're one that likes to handwrite it, I am totally okay with that. But I really prefer you type. The reason being is you're going to save this as a file and upload it into Plato. And that is how it gets turned in. So I would just, again, type your answer, answer all parts of the question, change the font to red or, I don't know, purple, yellow, blue. Make it something that doesn't hurt my eyes. I'm old. Make sure you answer all of it. Discussion questions, don't do them. Independent study. You don't have to delete them, but I just took them off there so you guys, see that they don't have to be done. Okay, next step. Up here, once you're done answering your questions to the best possible way you can to make me proud, you're going to go up here to Save As. You can do it on OneDrive or computer. OneDrive can be a little bit kind of weird. If you plan to leave school and you're not done, I would probably do it on a flash drive or OneDrive so you can access it. If you're at home or if you plan to finish it and print it or upload it, I would save it on a computer. You can go wherever you want. Let's put this one in Documents. This is what I really highly suggest. Type your name. Rob Radcliffe. And then it's Criminology. You could put Unit 1, Text Questions, or TQ. That's fine with me. Go to Save. Okay. Now that it's saved, you are going to exit. You're going to close it. This is really where students get kind of mixed up, and I totally get it because it's kind of a weird way to do it. Right here, to submit it, you're going to upload new file. You're going to go to Browse. Those are my car pictures. Okay, so I think I put it in, let's see, where did I put it? I probably put it right here. Desktop. Make sure you save it in a folder. Anyway, let's just say it's right here. Criminology B, Lesson 1. You're going to go right here. You're going to open it. Let's just pretend this is the file that you made. Upload file. Okay. You're not done yet. This is the most important part. Once you see it pop up down here, your file, make sure you remember where you save it because I already forgot. Go to the little box, click it, and then you're going to do Submit Selected Files. Now, this is also very important, and I've called Plato to switch this, but I don't know why. Right here, you guys notice the default, Submit for Review. You must change it to Submit for Scoring, and then Submit File. Now, you have successfully sent your activity to your instructor. That's me. It's in the process of being scored. If you don't switch that from Submit to Review to Submit for Scoring, it will never come in on my end as the instructor of the course. You could turn it in 50 million times. I'll never see it. So, it has to be submitted for scoring. I will get it on my end. I'll grade it. It'll be in the computer, and then I'll put it in the Infinite Campus Gradebook, and then everybody's happy. Your parents aren't mad. You're not grounded for the weekend because you actually did your work. So that's all there is to it. Print out a work sample right here. You can go here. It's a Word doc. Open. Enable editing. This is just one of the lessons I printed. Go to print. Make sure you give that to your lesson as a work sample for your homeroom teacher. I might be your homeroom teacher as well, but if not, make sure you give them something. Make sure you write your name on it too. You guys are not in 3rd grade anymore. Close that. You notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 9 weeks. That actually gives you an extra week if you get a unit done a week, and that is completely capable of being done. You guys are smart. You can knock out a unit a week. I'm here to help you. Have fun with it. You're going to enjoy this course. The midterm is a culmination of each quiz. There are quiz reviews right here. After you're done with your text questions, you go right here to the quiz. It's locked. You need to come see me to unlock it. Again, like I said, you're going to have to go take it in 502, so come see me and I'll show you where to go. The quizzes are proctored this year. They're multiple choice. They're super easy. I will allow you to use handwritten notes only. I will not allow you to print the text from the course and use it, because you're not learning anything. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, my cell phone number is 951-440-0857, and my email is on the syllabus. So I'm going to give you guys my information. So I have a handout that has our cell phone and our email, and that's pretty much it. So have fun. Let's do well this quarter, and come see me if you need anything. All right?